This video's not made for kids, you crazy bitch-ass bastard!
Hello, viewers of yesteryear. I am still your host, Stepney.2. Yes, take a look at my nice big funnel. Anyway, we are back. Just ignore the scratches on my face. We are back with the series of inappropriate game shows, starting with number 4, the sequel to the either second or first one. I can't remember. It's not like I'm the host or anything. Excuse me. Excuse me. Thank you. Anyway, I had to get my new voice implant because my old one broke. This is Sink That Garden. As you could see, we did it earlier, so you kind of missed it. But we couldn't get the camera working. We left the cap on, like that, and
It's me, bastard! The one you tried and killed last time!
I don't remember a thing. I mean, I remember. Yeah, it's staying down my head like your face is right now. Oh,
That'll teach you right. Now get some ready for some pain.
nice bunker.
That's disturbing. You're just gross. Get out of my life.
I think it's lovely. I'll just myself my castle.
Bill, Ben, do your thing.
And so, children, never play with fire.
You're not fireman, sir!
Hello, I am Slot Patrick's backside. In other words, I am here to replace Stepney.2 because, basically, he had a bit of an accident, and so yeah, today I'm going to fill in for him by helping you to learn the alphabet. So here's my demonstration over here. As you can see, the alphabet begins with A, and the next letter in the alphabet is C. And
what the fuck you think you're doing,
and here we are now demonstrating how to use the alphabet. Not like this.
Oh, don't touch me, ass, you stupid little bastard!
Sorry, it's nature season, so yeah, the ducks are swimming over from the lands they should have stayed in. Anyway, this is how you use the alphabet. As you can see here, we see the letters L, B, S, C, 100. So yes, the L clearly stands for like say, the I is invisible, so it's I like big Scottish car. Never mind. I mean, we can learn that another time. What's that you say, me laddie? You like big Scottish what now? I can show you something if you like. I really don't, to be honest, but take a look at that. Isn't that like the best Scottish coupling you ever did see?
Cockland.
This video's gonna be taken down because it's bloody racist. Come with me.
And that has sexual content in it.
Thank you for watching. Right, let's do this. Stop round about here. Yep. Oh god, I'm scared. This is...
Oh!
Go, Percy, go! Ah! No. I need to run up.
Are you sure it's a good idea?
Yes. When is it not a good idea? Go!
Oh my god, when that happens.
Hey! Oh.
Right,
Gordon without face.
Came to bridge.
Oh,
Came
it's
to
gone.
bridge and
Shit. Ah. Oh god, he's too fat.
stuck.
He's stuck. Not a good time. Yeah. Well, this looks completely safe.
Oh my god. That's not gonna make it, Max. I can already see it tilting.
Welcome to the Shake Shake Bridge. Oh shit. Oh my god.
It's not working.
Keep going.
No, it's lost connection.
Oh wow, I can see why. I'll just hold him for a second because, well, we connect the track again, not cheating.
It's still not working.
Well, he doesn't work anyway. Oh! Oh!
No!
Forwards! Oh shit, it's off!
Ah!
It's off! Ah!
You killed Gordon.
Gordon was dead.
Oh, you.
Shit,
Oh.
shit, I'm scared. These cost money.
These cost money, man.
That's not something oh shit! Look how much the truck
Carry
is
on.
spending!
Carry on, carry on.
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh
Yeah,
no!
who's the lazy one now? It's just my one working.
Yeah.
Come on!
And two of yours aren't.
Oh yeah.
Go, go.
Oh no! Stephanie, come on, you're meant to go work. It's just the LSWR one, like, come on. Oh, yay! No.
Technically that would have made it. Right, now you need to rush back so they all do it.
Yes, sir.
Wait.
5, 4,
Fizz
1. Hey! Hey! Oh shit, Stephanie's just off the track.
Well, like, come on, I'm doing the most work now.
Ow, ow, ow. Stephanie's off the track. Ow, 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 ow. Guys, do you mind? Oh shit. Ow, oh. Luckily.
Everyone was hurt and died.
Yay! Now lower, I'm a narrow gauge engine, I can't see the camera. Hello, and I am Scott Lowy, and I will be your tour guide today. Today we are looking at locations on the island of Sodor. Today we are at the end of the Thomas's branch line, at the main station of Thomas's branch line. Anyway, let's just go over here, please, follow me. As you can see, they are doing construction work at the quarry tram line. Okay, so as you can see, this station is called not Pania, but fuck you hard.
Fuck you.
And this stands for well, I don't really want to go into details of how the name came about, but you get the picture. I hope you don't, anyway.
Yeah, this will destroy us all.
Stay tuned for more adventures on the island of Sodor.
Crack.
I think I broke my leg.
Wait, do one go.
Ouch!
I'm gonna reset you in it.
Okay.
Wait, give me that. Give me that.
Give you an idea, okay?
I'm gonna do it all the way back again. Oh! Let's try another engine. Let's try... Emily! Okay, one more time. Oh, that failed dramatically. She died.
What the hell? Well, the buffers are dead, and you know they're nearly dead. Not awkward.
Toby's having a fun time.
Oh shit! Bye.
Well, that's Toby dead.
Dobby dead.
Right, Thomas, come and help.
Again.
Oh, Thomas is working really well.
And a really
Fucking hell!
useful engine.
Don't worry, Toby, I'll come and save you.
Okay, I'll wait here.
Again.
Hey, you're coming a bit fast, aren't you? Hold on. Wait a minute. Oh, that's nice. Oh, right. Now,
Right,
gently
Toby, the only
reverse. Oh, I'll just
only
climb
way-
myself back up then.
The only way to save you is to kill you.
I disagree, Thomas. See, I'm clearly older than you. I know much more than you.
No, I should be fine.
I do not think the Fat Controller would approve. When did I turn into Gordon?
Fanny, come help with us.
I shall just keep my smug face on.
That was Henrietta blow. Pretty colours. Okay.
I have no idea what's happening. I'm just staring at the sky above
Penny,
you.
ready? 3, 2, 1.
What a wonderful world. Ah! The deed is done.
Now we shall sacrifice the fruit man to start the ceremony.
Oh!
I think I trained bowler.
Film that again. Doctor, there's a problem with me. Yes, well, what seems to be the problem? Percy! Hello, my name is Percy. I'm the number 6 green engine. And, yes, get on with it, sire. Well, first off, well, I think there's something wrong with my face and my voice. And, well, Thomas said I sicken him, so I thought I'd go and see a doctor or something, you know, just to see. I see. Well, just let me take a closer look at you then, Yeah, okay. I'll just give you a second. Right. All the better to see you with, my dear. Okay. So, yeah, as you can see, I think I have... Doctor, what are you doing? I don't know, Percy. I think I have a problem now. No! Hello, I am Mr. Percy Attention. Bruh. Are we rolling? Okay, well, today we'll... Do you mind? Today we'll be exploring the life cycle of Thomas, the tank engine. As you can see, in its very early days, this very rare and insignificant breed had a very strange prototype face in its LBS CR Amber livery. And then we come on to the Southern Railway Thomas, which didn't actually exist because Thomas never lived to be Southern. And then we carry on down the life cycle to the present day Thomas the Tank Engine we see today. And then we carry on, there's not much to see about it really, to what we predict Thomas will be in the future. Just taking the face away because he speaks too much, he's quite a little prick. and you can see why he has to stop talking. And then, say in the next 10 years, this is likely the outcome of what Thomas will become. We don't really mind, because it's only Thomas the Tank Engine. So yes, if you start donating now, then Thomas will not become a pile of scrap in the future. So please, we insist, do not, for whatever reason, donate to Thomas the Tank Engine.
Hell! Bloody hell!
I've been David Percy. Attention, bruh. Thank you for watching. Hello, I am your favorite asshole engine, back again with learn the alphabet with the asshole. Anyway, as you can see, I'm number 6, which is times 3, the devil's number. Anyway, today we are learning what the LSWR stands for on this very strangely painted terrier. I have now got a different accent. Well, as you can see, the LSWR is a fine example of the lettering of lovely sausages wear rubber. Yes, always use protection, kids. Wait, will you get out of the shot, you fat little lump? It's an emergency! We have to hurry! We really need to hurry! There's a big emergency. Well, you just tell us what it is. We need to go! Holy shit, what is happening over there? Yeah. Constipated engine. Oh my god.
I was reincarnated!
You mean, what?
I'll tell you what happened. That little pioneer's just given birth to 3 little Great Western engines. It was building things to make it shack for its home. Cockland!
And I fear that'll destroy us all. I'm Toby.